How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is my 1990 Silverado that I hardly drive. Haven't driven it maybe 2 months. Hasn't started in about a month. You can see it's pretty dirty. So on this video I'm going to do a clean, wash, walk around, let you guys know what I've done to it. See if it starts. Getting my seat reupholstered. Hopefully I got it done with this soon. So I'm gonna go wash it, clean it, do a quick walk around for you guys. So I'll get back to you. Alrighty, this is my 1990 Chevy Sport Silverado. Nicely washed. Do a quick walk around for you guys. Had this truck for about 5 years. Been building it slowly. But there you go. So it's originally 1990 Sport, white, great interior. The Sport package, whatever you want to call it. You can tell that by the RPO codes. Got a little mess going on. Where is it? I think it's BYP, which is right there. See it. BYP. And on the RPO codes, it tells you what color interior, what rear end, gears, power windows, all that good stuff. So, getting my seat redone at the moment. But wife, brother cleaned out my interior. Looks hella clean. So this truck has a 6 lowering kit on the front. Got a 10-inch drop in the back on 22-inch denali wheels with the 265, 35, 22. Pop the hood for you guys. Dirty, but I got tubular upper control arms, tubular DJM 3-inch lower control arms, and you can see it. Take this off. And a 3-inch spring. See if I can get it for you guys. Oh shit, a little dirty. But there you go. Just a total of 6 in the front, and then for the back I have a 6-inch flip kit, 2-inch hanger, and a 2-inch shackle. Got a 6-inch C-notch on it. Also got a tailgate cover off of a 2016 and up, I think, Silverado. That's about it, really. Nothing much else, really. Oh, and I got a 6-lug conversion on it, too. So, there it is. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. And hopefully I got more videos coming up for you guys in the future. Thanks.